company in the past couple of days. That's about the last 4 days there on the market. And then down to, of course, performance of its price. We are seeing that between the months of September 2021 to the month of about May 2022, the company had never gone above the 225 mark, but mark this time round at 225 and above, but just recording just a daily loss of yesterday's markets. Now that is the Wumeme stock for you there, and if you want to know more the Wumeme stock, you can still visit Uganda Security Exchange and learn more, or you can actually contact your stockbroker to know if Wumeme still presents some opportunity of investment when it comes to the stock market there. Now back to our top gainers here. We didn't have only MTN coming out on top. We also had Stanbic Bank Uganda, who came out with a 2.33% gain there on the market. And Stanbic Bank gained to a price of 21.49 Ugandan shillings yesterday. And Kenya Airways also came back strong on the market with a 0.29% increase in the price there to a price of 122.22 Ugandan shillings. That's about 1 shilling gain, because of Kenya Airways was trading at about 121 shillings, but now yesterday closing at 1.2. Centum Investment Company at 315.27 was also another gainer, who gained by 0.28% to this 315 Uganda shillings market price, closing off yesterday's markets. And East African Breweries also came out strong, 0.28% as well, growth from 4,440 to about 4,467.40 in terms of the prices there. And then Equity Bank Limited at 0.2 also came out with a price of 1,467.86. These were some of the top gainers. We had a couple of other top gainers on the market, of course, which we shall be looking at later on as well, and they will be giving us more of what we should expect today on other counters as well. Remember, these stocks are very important to know the gainers and the losers in the first place, because they give you a picture of what the market looks like. In the second place, they give you opportunities. They present to you opportunities to see the counters that are moving on the market and to see where you can actually be able to gain value from your stock. And definitely that will impact your investment, will impact how you are investing, and the kind of risk appetite you're holding. It also gives you a little more of confidence, if at all you have invested already in some of these companies, that actually the shares that you invest, the shares that you were able to buy are increasing in value or are decreasing. And that's very, very important for you as a shareholder. Now, at the end of the day's session, as I already mentioned, only 4 USE listed equities were able to participate in trading. And of course, among these, the MTN and Stanbic came out on top, Kenya Airways and Centum, and a couple of other companies. We had gainers. MTN recorded the highest volume. He was a gainer, and he also recorded the highest volume of 2.11 million traded shares. And he was followed by 0.59 points, and that represents about it went up by about 0.76% by about 9.59 points to close at 1,270 points on the market, representing a 1-week gain of 5.2% and a 4-week gain of 3.67%. While, of course, having an overall year-to-date loss of 10.54%. The Uganda Security Exchange Local Company Index also increased by 1.71% to reach 280 0.02 points, making it a 1-week gain of 6.08% and a 4-week loss of 0.93%, while a year-to-date loss of 13.75%. And all these are indicators that the local companies in Uganda are doing quite well, and they are doing much better than before. And so that's, of course, creating opportunity for investment. We are still looking into the stock market. My name is Anthony. We're going into a short break, but we will of the other stocks on the Ugandan market, and we'll also cross over to Nairobi to have a look at what happened on their stock market as well, looking into their top gainers and bottom losers. Follow us on Twitter. You can follow the hashtag financial markets, and also you can visit our website at www.smart24tv.com for more information that you may need concerning the stocks. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.